Hello, dear property seeker. I am Subramani from Citadel Constructions. We are builders and contractors in Bangalore. We did various projects, budget homes, like starts from 8 flats, it goes to up to 20 flats, 25 flats. So this way we worked as a budget homes. Always we do it as a budget homes since we understood the client needs and how they wanted to searching it, how they want to pay the repayment actually, how much savings they may having it. All that we will calculate, and according to that we'll see the properties, and we'll see according to that is the expenditures or the lands. I mean, even we going for a joint venture with the owners, we used to say that this is the conditions from our company. If you are interested, you have to combine with us, my company, or else we will not be interested. Why? Because when I start giving a more goodwills and other things and all, obviously the prices and all I have to put it on you only. Any each customers we have to dump it. So since that is all are not supposed to be there, I mean very casual. I mean normally nominal conditions whatever there we need to agree. So most of the places I used to do that. Most of the places again there is a goodwill advance all related will be applicable. So now, which I'm talking about, that one project is in the old Bipinel. That is, I hope you all aware of that now. Asia's second railway station is called Butterfly Railway Station in the old Bipinel. That will give you like just a 200 meters from that railway station, just a 200 meters. While when we start, that time the project was not started, the railway project. Now it is started. Completions also is almost going to be launching any this year, any moment. So everything is completed. When it comes to my project in Old Bipinelli, that is 1 and 2 BHK flat. It is a 20 flats apartment, G plus 4. We have a basic amenities like a car parking, lift, power backup, security 24 bar 7, rainwater harvesting. It's a corner project. If you see in terms of you wanted to check what is the square feet will be. Square feet will start 1 BHK around 650 square foot. 2 BHK there is a 1 BHK one unit, 2 BHK 2 units we have. In the 2 BHK 2 units, that the first unit starts from about around 750 square feet, 780, 850. This is the way budget homes I kept it. This why the budget homes we call as, in terms of all other fittings and everything are in a good, everything will be good. The spacious what we are giving it there in terms of area, in terms of construction area what we cover, okay, it's small projects. It's about around land area 3,270 land area in that. 1 and 2 BHK, it is all 80% is completed. Other 20% to 10% is ready to occupy conditions are projects. So my price will start about 1 BHK is about around 32 lakhs will come. 2 BHK will starts from, there is a 3 sizes. Will start from about 38 lakh, 40 lakhs, 42 lakhs in this way. Now, since we understood the client COVID pandemic and all that, so we wanted to bring it other best discount on the pricing part. Example, I wanted to fix it for 38 to 39 lakh for 2 to 3 flats. That is what we bought it down, other 2 to 3 lakhs we bought it down. So this I wanted to give you informations. If you ask me, How you people can how you can plan for a financially plan. Financially plans, how you wanted to plan. Example, because I know financially, because we doing a many clients for loans, we attend many clients for the problems or anything. Maybe the amount was less from their pocket, but they have a dream to buy it. Maybe the profile is good, but down payment is less. So all kinds of, their age is less, all that it will be there. So keeping all in that, how you can go for the ready to occupy projects. The example, you husband and wife working, you're already there in a rented house for the many years, still you are not planned for the house still. This is my speech what I'm giving you today. I'm advising you, this is the right time you can go for the project. When you're going for the right time, this project, since it is a ready to occupy, thing is, you're already there in the rented house, straight away you can come here. Within a 20 days, 25 days, your loan will be get sanctioned. Everything you can occupy quick basis. Still, again in a financial planning it, how it will works again. Example, if your husband and wife working, say about your take-home salary around 35 to 40 lakhs, 30 to 40,000, husband, wife is getting around about around 30 to 35, again 25 or 35 or whatever. You have around 10 lakhs as a down payment, your savings, 10 lakhs. This 10 lakhs you can go for as a 20% of the down payment. You can enter into the agreement. This topic is not only for my project I'm talking about. You can go for XYZ property anywhere in Bangalore, anywhere in your place. That's not a problem. But which I know I'm giving you, you plan my property, still it will be helpful for you. You please welcome, have a look. Or else in this kind of a times you can't come, then we'll show you the virtual tours and send you brochures, all the details, what is the present scenario of the properties and everything. Since I said the 10 lakhs you're paying, example, you want to pick it up the 2 BHK. The 2 BHK price will say about around 38 lakh, which I said. When you're going for 38 lakh total, in that 10% to 20% you need to pay around 10 lakh rupee, 11 or 12 or whatever. Rest when you're going for the loan. Example, if you're going for 30 lakhs of the loan, your age is say you can go for a 15 years EMI options or 30 years EMI options. When you go for choosing anything, depends on your income. If you wanted to really, I wanted to advise you people, when your salary is less, your commitment is more, then you choose 30 years. Or else, your salary is good, husband and wife working, your salary is good, then you choose for 15 years of the repayment. Why I wanted to match a example? You are already paying 18 to 25,000 rupees rent in Bangalore for a rent. You are using, a long year you keep paying it. That amount, I don't want you to shell out more money on the EMI part. I'm just covering there. You can plan however you want it. So you all can plan in this way, whereas just paying a rented house property, why cannot you can own the property? This is the way where you can really plan, how you can plan. This is the best plannings which is we wanted to give it to the client. The loans, everything we will take care. If really you are having a less income of down payment also, please contact us, my below numbers which is given. Myself is the builder. You can contact in the phone or you can mail me in the doubt which I given you mail IDs, you can ask, you can WhatsApp to me completely. You can take all my details. If anything I missed out, or you have any doubts or anything on this project, we will help you. Thank you.